Hey everybody, Matt Pete here with TranShield, and today we're going to show you how to create a support structure to support your TranShield cover during the winter storage months. You're going to need some rope or some strapping. In this case we're using 3/4 inch strapping to create the structure. Now the first thing that I've done is gone over the wake tower through the front eyelet. You can use a cleat or you can even go down to the bow eye, but you need something solid in the front. We're going to tie it off solid on one side and then go back to the other side of the wake tower. We're going to create a loop. We're going to run the strapping or rope through that loop and pull it as tight as we can. The idea here is to create a nice solid structure for the cover. Now in the back you're going to start on one side using a transom cleat. You could use the eyelets on the boat, the transom eyelets, or in this case I'm using a solid grab rail. I'm going up over the wake tower and I'm using this tow pylon, and I'm going to go back to the other side. On the other side you're going to do something very similar. You're going to tie off to the same grab handle. You're also going to create that special loop that we're going to use as a pulley to get it nice and tight. Again, run the strapping through that loop and pull it as tight as you can. I always like to pinch that knot so that it doesn't slide as I'm locking it off with my slip knot. On this boat we decided to put a center strap. There's a nice solid fixture in the back used for towing that we could put that strap onto, and then we take that strapping and we go up to the wakeboard tower around the same towing pylon that's on top. We're going to create our loop again, run the strapping through that loop, and pull it tight. This will give us a nice solid structure for the winter months to come. Good luck, happy winter, and thank you for purchasing a TranShield cover.